I've said it before, I'll say it again. The only thing that I still buy consistently as a successful internet marketer is PLR. Because when you buy PLR, good PLR, not the junk, because you can get PLR for free, but it's usually really low quality. When you get high quality PLR that is written by somebody who knows what they're doing, it is worth its weight in gold. I use them all the time as bonuses, as a basis for other products, and they really do work really, really well. And today I've got something really, really special to share with you. It's all coming up in my review of the year-end Bonanza. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I am known as the man with the hat. And that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I get a lot of compliments about this hat, by the way. A lot of people like this hat. Anyway, and I am one of the very few people who can bonus successfully. Well, me and my buddy Raymond over here.
I'm Raymond Reddington.
If you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. But before you do, I wish you a very happy new year. May the best of 2021 be the worst of 2022. And thank you for being a member of the tribe. I really do appreciate every single one of you. As you can see behind me, I am in my new office. We have a nice easy chair behind me. I have my chess set up on a coffee table right next to it. We also have one of my favorite paintings behind me. I'm very, very excited and really, really appreciative of every single one of you who helps make this possible, because without you, my business doesn't exist, but without me, I think that your business wouldn't exist either. The whole point of this is to help each other. And so I hope that you are being helped by me. And I do have an insane bonus for this package for you. But getting back to what I was saying before, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: review software and info products, and they make money on my niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, seriously, dude, it's getting annoying, all right? I know you like the crap, but nobody else does, so keep it. Anyhow, if you are new to the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz. I mean, you see, Liz, she was a fellow New Yorker. I no longer live in New York. My driver's license now says Pennsylvania. We live in a beautiful, beautiful small town here in Western Pennsylvania. We have a gorgeous house. I just planted trees in our yard a couple of months ago. I'm looking forward to it, and really, really excited about it, and really looking forward to doing things with you. And, you know, just really, really, really just building something special here, because I am so excited about our house, and I want you to have the same kind of things that we have here. Just got back from grocery shopping. I drove my beautiful Infinity Coupe, which I really love driving. And it's all because of you, and you can have this too. I'm not trying to say this to brag. I'm trying to say this because I know that this works. This business model works if you just put it into action. Okay. Anyway, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. And let's go ahead and check this out. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for the year-end Bonanza sale. Now, this is from my friend Vikram. He does PLR all the time. It's pretty much all he does. And he does a lot of PLR content. So he basically put these videos together all the time. He doesn't do them himself. He actually has professional actors read these things for him and really puts together something very, very nice, very professional. You can see the kind of money that would go into creating all the content that goes into this, okay? About 241 hours of $4,655 worth of development that would go into doing this. And that's because it really is a tremendous amount of work, but you get to sell this as your own, put your name on it, sell it, give it away, use it as a bonus, whatever you want. You can use it for a brand new product, combine them, put them together. I've used these as products, by the way. Okay, I've bought stuff from Vikram, actually, that I personally have used as part of my own products. So I can tell you that it does work. I've made so much money by using these things, and it actually does work. But of course, when you buy from me, you always get an insane bonus. And this one is going to be a doozy of a bonus. So you're going to pick up all of these packages from Vikram. It's going to be $67. and you're going to be getting basically like everything he's produced in 2021. Okay, it's going to be every single thing, 12 different packages. Okay, and each one has additional training courses. Pick up the entire package from him, and I'm going to give you, in addition to that, another 240 courses with full PLR rights. That means you can sell them, give them away, use as bonuses. So in essence, for your $67, you are going to be getting 252 different products that you can give away. There's like a few pennies each to be able to give them away. But I'm not done yet. Pick up any upgrade to this. Pick up any upgrade to this. And I'm also going to throw in 10,000 articles with full PLR rights. These can be used for blogs. They can be used to put together reports, whatever you want. You're going to have 10,000 articles. Plus, I'm going to give you a pack of motivational posters with PLR rights. Again, you can use these to create content. You can put them on Etsy and sell them on Etsy. That's really, really a cool method of doing things. I'm actually doing that because I used to do a lot of photography. And so I'm actually putting a lot of my old photographs up on Etsy and offering, somebody wants to buy it, they just buy it, and I print it out at Shutterfly or any of the other places that print out photos for me, and I go and print them out, and they're done, and I make money off of it. I don't even have to stock it. I don't have to print it in advance. I do nothing except put it up. Take a few minutes to put it up. You can do the exact same thing with these motivational posters. Just put them up on Etsy and start offering them for sale. When somebody buys them, you simply order a print that you have made at Shutterfly or whatever, and you ship it off to the person. You don't have to stock it. You don't have to ship it. You don't have to do anything. And you're gonna be able to get that plus the 10,000 articles. Plus, in addition to that, if you pick up any 2 upgrades, I'm also gonna give you PLR to 12 of my own best courses. These are my personal courses with my name on it. Yes, you can use my name, which is very, very rare. Most PLR, you're not allowed to mention the person who created it. You have to simply, put it on with somebody else's name, with your own name. In this case, you're going to be able to actually mention my name, that Eric Hammer, the man that created these courses. You can say they were created by me, that you're selling, that you purchased the right to sell them to people, and it's a very exclusive thing. It is kind of exclusive because it's only when you pick up 2 upgrades. So not a whole lot of people are going to be getting these dozen courses. They're going to be able to give away rights to. Let's go ahead and check out the members area real quick. And basically, all of his members areas are pretty much the same things. You can see here, I've actually picked up stuff from him quite a bit over the years, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021. You can see I have all the different things from 2021. Basically, you're going to get all of these packages included with your purchase of this year in Bonanza. Each one of those packages, and you're going to get more, it's 12 of them. I only have like 6 of them. But each one of those packages is a $17 to $27 item. So when you get for $67, that's really an insane price. When you figure in the 240 courses I'm giving you on top of that, that's really, really a crazy price. Okay, and like I said, it's all inclusive. Everything is included. You get all the graphics, all the videos, everything is ready to go to be able to start selling these and making money off of them. Okay, and you simply click the add to cart and you're done. You're finished. Okay, again, pick up any upgrade. You're going to get 10,000 articles plus the motivational posters. Pick up any 2 upgrades. I'm going to give you a dozen of my own personal courses as well. So let's see if I'm going to give it to Advanced Product Creator or not.
I tip my hat to you!
Yeah, that was pretty obvious, right? Seriously, huge tip of my hat. I really love PLR. It's one of my favorite things to buy, my favorite things to use all the time. And this one is great. Grab it. You're going to love it.